The interest from the industry to use additive manufacturing is growing, but in many applications, testing and quality control are still important to ensure safety and reliability. By using non-destructive testing and evaluation, components can be inspected and controlled without introducing any permanent damage. In my research, I have worked with non-destructive testing and evaluation of components in alloy 718 built with powder bed fusion electron beam melting. Two non-destructive methods have been used in the work: ultrasonic testing and resonance testing. With ultrasonic testing, the components can be inspected with high resolution, but this typically takes a long time. On the other hand, with resonance testing, the components can be inspected faster, but with lower resolution. The results from the SUMAN-Next project are important for the ongoing work of developing cost-effective and industrially robust procedures for quality control and assurance of AM components. The results are also important from the perspective of sustainable development, since non-destructive testing and evaluation leads to a more effective use of material resources.